Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 20 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode we can take a look at these options, and this icon is responsible for the timer. Right now it is obviously turned off. After tapping on it once you can set 3 seconds delay and again 10 seconds delay. After tapping on it again you will turn it off completely. So let me pick for example 10 seconds delay. Let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, it just took a photo, so let's check also the 3 seconds delay, and the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. Of course you can turn it off, just make sure that this icon looks like it, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without any counting. So actually this is it, this is how to set camera timer in your Motorola Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching, I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.